Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. Well, I've started this year with the weather being nice. Recently I've spent 20 minutes at a time and I've sorted out my potting shed as much as I'm going to do at the moment. But with it being so nice today and Lurch's have work today and tomorrow, we've started on another project. Well, he has. This is the gate that you've seen when I've shown my chickens before. Now there's the hutch. I did say it wasn't going to last and it hasn't. Luckily there was no chickens in it. I didn't have chickens last year, but I intend on getting some this year. So Lurch is sorting this area out for me. Going to put all these bits of wood in my grow house to dry out and then burn and use the ash on the garden. And I've got a new chicken coop that needs fixing together and I need to build a nest box for it. As I need to build a nest box, I've sorted out my garage workroom workshop. And as I've told you before, I save all the wood from other things. There's still some less wood from a side of a wardrobe, some wooden slats from the bed. Sorry about that. He can't normally get in where the chicken coop is, so he can have a look through the fence. But this will help make me a nest box. Everything else is still Mason. Everything else is still a bit of a junk pile, but it's storage area. That's it. I'm calling it a day. I'm keeping the wire and wood thing because it could be handy. I don't know for certain. I'll see when I get the new chicken coop there. I brought a compost bin down and put it in the corner and salted it off with some soil that was on the top of this run, you know, which was the old chicken poo, and some things from my small composters for over winter. So every time I clean the chickens out, I will be putting wood shavings and manure in there. So that's going to do good for the garden. This pink stuff on the ground is the disinfectant that you can use with chickens, which is supposed to be used for chickens to disinfect the ground. You can use it when the chickens are in, but I thought I might as well do it now, and then when the coop goes up and I've got the front on it and it's all ready for the chickens, I'll do it again. Won't do it any harm. But that's my start so far on this year. It's a good job Lurch has been off work today and tomorrow, so he can help me finish tomorrow. So, Mason, thank you. Bye.
It's a